Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss all the answers of the first year PG English Question Bank paper 4 under Netaji Subhas Open University in West Bengal. So let's start. Question number 1. What type of novel is Tom Jones? Answer is, it is a Pikarsky novel. Question number 2. Look, Mr. Nightingale, I am not counting hypocrite, nor do I pretend to the gift of chastity more than my neighbors. Who said this? Answer is Tom Jones. Question number 3. To whom Jane Austen dedicated her novel Emma? Answer is Prime Regent. Question number 4. What is the central theme of Emma? Answer is courtship and marriage. Question number 5. Who was Emma's governess? Answer is Mrs. Weston as Miss Annie Taylor. Question number 6. Who is involved in a love affair with the handsome, wealthy, well-connected Frank Churchill? Answer is Jane Fairfax. Question number 7. Who plays the role of Emma's mentor in the novel? Answer is George Knightley. Question number 8. What skill does Emma pride herself on the most? Answer is matchmaking. Next question. Question number 9. Which of the novel of Dickens is a satire on the system of industry and factory owners? Answer is Sons and Lovers. Question number 10. How did Frances, Isabella, Edgar, Catherine, and Linton Heathcliff die in the novel Wuthering Heights? Answer is tuberculosis. Question number 11. Who finds the diary of Catherine at her bedchamber? Answer is Lockwood. Question number 12. Which character speaks the words I am Heathcliff? Answer is Catherine. Question number 13. What is a gift of God as presented by Mr. Earnshaw? Answer is Heathcliff. Question number 14. Who was deserted on her wedding day in great expectation? Answer is Miss Havisham. Question number 15. Who is Pip's brother-in-law in great expectations? Answer is Joe Gregory. Question number 16. Who gave an offer to go to London to Pip? Answer is Jaggers. Question number 17. Who is the mysterious benefactor of Pip? Answer is Abel McWitch. Question number 18. Whom does Estella marry in the novel Great Expectations? Answer is Drumble. Question number 19. What is the cause of Miss Havisham's death? Answer is caught fire in her clothes. Question number 20. What is the real name of George Eliot? Answer is Marian Evans. Question number 21. Who is the guardian of Dorothy Brooke? Answer is Mr. Brooke, her uncle. Question number 22. Here and there, Saint Theresa. Who is the saint here? Answer is Dorothy Brooke. Question number 23. Who is the protagonist in the novel Heart of Darkness? Answer is Charles Marlowe. Question number 24. What is the main source of the text Heart of Darkness? Answer is the Congo Diary. Question number 25. The horror. Who is the speaker of this famous line? Answer is Urge. Question number 26. Which character represents to the imperialist view in the Heart of Darkness? Answer is Courge. Question number 27. In which chapter of A Portrait of the Artist refers to the Bantry Gang, a group led by Timothy Haley? Answer is chapter 5. Question number 28. What does it mean by the phrase epiphany? Answer is sudden revelation of the whatness of a thing. Question number 29. What does the color white stands for in the novel A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man? Answer is purity. Question number 30. Stephen's definition of beauty inspired by whom? Answer is Aquinas. Next question, question number 31. How is the character of Black George treated in Tom Jones? Answer is gamekeeper, servant, villain and hero, George C. Green. You will get any one option in the exam. Question number 32. What is the central conflict in Tom Jones? Answer is central conflict between natural instinctive feelings and those appearances with which people disguise deny, or rigid moral dogmas, or economic conveniences doctrines of social responsibility. Question number 33. Why is Emma considered as unique among all Austen's novels? Answer is because it is only an eponymous novel by Austen. Question number 34. Why is Emma called a myopic detective? Answer is Emma has all the evidence before her eyes and yet fails to recognize the truth until it is revealed at a climactic moment. Question number 35. How would you assess Austen's treatment of the story of Jane Fairfax as? Answer is heroine of a popular romance or subversion of romance. Question number 36. Who among these characters represents Austen's conception of a rational, practical man? Answer is Mr. Knightley. Question number 37. I hope she does. I would have her understand me. I am not in the least ashamed of my meaning. Who is referred to as she here? Answer is Jane Fairfax. Question number 38. What does Austen's multi-layered irony in Emma prevent the novel from being? Answer is didactic, doctrinaire, or never becomes one-dimensional. Question number 39. How, according to feminist critics, Emma is similar to Elizabeth Bennet? Answer is both have similar familial and social status, both are second daughter, both have similar personality traits, both have defective or inadequate view of society and men, some moral blind spot, or at the end the both reconcile with their flaws and discover their true loves. So there are so many options. You will get one in the exam. Next question, question number 40. What kind of novel is Great Expectations? Answer is it is a memory novel. Question number 41. Which character in another Dickens novel most resemble Pip? Answer is Oliver in the novel Oliver Twist. Question number 42. What was Pip's brother-in-law? Answer is a blacksmith by profession. The name of brother-in-law is Joe Gregory. Question number 43. What kind of characters are Joe and Biddy in Great Expectations? They are kind and loving. They are also minor characters in the novel Great Expectations. Question number 44. In chapter 42 of Great Expectations, we have the instance of past memories of Magwitch or past crime of Magwitch. Question number 45. How long does Heathcliff live? Answer is 38 years. Question number 46. Who was the gift of God according to Earnshaw? Answer is Heathcliff. Question number 47. What does Catherine mean when she says, he is more myself than I am? Answer is, Heathcliff actually more like her than she is, or Catherine will degrade herself by marrying Heathcliff. Question number 48. What marks Heathcliff as different from traditional romantic hero? Answer is, he is dark and mysterious, almost never handsome in the traditional sense. Question number 49. In the prelude to Middlemarch, who is Dorotha is famously compared to? Answer is Saint Teresa. Question number 50. Where does Dorotha and Celia live at the beginning of Middlemarch? Answer is at Tripton Grange near the Midland town of Middlemarch. Question number 51. What is the name of Mr. Brooks' journal? Answer is The Pioneer. Question number 52. I have been little disposed to gather flowers that would wither in my hand, but now I shall pluck them with eagerness to place them in your bosom. Who says this? Answer is Edward Casaubon. Question number 53. In which narrative technique in Middlemarch written? Answer is various narrative technique. Both first and third person narrative used in this novel. Question number 54. Of which colonial country was Congo in Heart of Darkness a colony? Answer is Belgium colony. Question number 55. Name the novelist who famously described Conrad's representation of Congo in Heart of Darkness as racist. Answer is Chinua Achebe. Question number 56. What primary role does the fame narrator play in Heart of Darkness? Answer is as a listener. He listens to Marlowe on the deck of the Nile. Question number 57. In chapter 5 of A Portrait of the Artist, freedom from what, according to Stephen, is the prerequisite to becoming an artist? Answer is nationality, language, and religion. Question number 58. In A Portrait of the Artist, into how many different forms does Stephen divide literature into? Answer is ancient, traditional, and modernist. Question number 59. Who among the following was extremely critical of Charles Stuart Parnell? Dante Riordan was against Stuart. John Kesey supported him. So actual answer is Dante. Question number 60. To Stephen, even a dash can lead to epiphany. Even a fact can lead to epiphany. Or the soul, or the essence of a person, or vulgarity of speech, or gesture. You will get any one option in the exam. So thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.